See, this is the question number 3, and question number 3 says that find the smallest number which we divide the number and we get the perfect cube number after dividing that number. So what is the smallest? That number. So first of all, how can we find this number and what is the procedure? So first of all, you will find the factor of 135. This is the third part of the question number 3. So dear, you can write it as just like that, 135. Since one's place is 5, so you can divide this number either 3 or either 5. Okay, so can you see this is divisible by 3? Yes, of course, because 1 and 3 is 4. 4 and 5? 9. And 9 is always divisible by 3. So the whole number is also divisible by 3. So we will start from 3. 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. Again by 3, that is 45. And again by 3, so dear we get 5. And now it is divisible by only 5. So we get the 1. Okay. So factor of 135. This is dear 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. Now you will make the triplet of the given factors. So this is the first triplet and this is complete. And this triplet of 5 is not completed. So since this triplet is not complete and here is the number is 5, so you will divide whole number by 5, you will get the perfect cube. So now on dividing by 5 in both sides, we get so dear, you can see that this is 135 and divide by 5, and here is 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. This is the right hand side and this is also divided by 5. So 5 and 5 is cancelled out and here is 35. 135 if you divide by 5, then you will get 27. And here is 3 into 3 into 3. Now dear, this remaining number is a perfect cube number. If you find the cube root of this 27, then you will get here a triplet and you will find only one digit out of these triplet. That is, you will select only one 3 in out of 3 3s. So you will get finally 3. That is cube root of 27 is 3. So this is the answer and you can find the answer by this procedure in the other all parts. तो इस तरह से आप बाकी के पार्ट भी इसी तरह से कर सकते हो. Dear, this is the question number 4 and here is the required question. How many cube required if you arrange this type of cuboid whose measurement is 5 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 5 centimeter is given, then how can cuboid is required to convert this into the cube form of a cube. So dear, you can write this as volume of cube. That is dear of 5 into 2 into 5. Now you can arrange it just like that. That is 5 into 5 and 2. Okay. Now you will make the triplet here, but triplet of 5 is not complete here, and triplet of 2 is also not complete here. So you will multiply from your side to complete all triplet. So here you will write 5 into 5 and then you will multiply 1 5 here. And after that 2 here only single times. And how many 2 required for making the triplet? 2 more required. That is 2 and 2. So these 2 is required to making the triplet. So finally you will write the requirement of multiplication. Here you can write it as 5 into this one 2 and this one 2. So how much it? 5 to the 10 to the 20. So dear, this is your answer. Means 20 cube is required to complete this question. So how can you find the cube root of this number, that is 15,625? Okay, so same process here. You will factorize it and then make the triplet and you got the answer. So dear, first of all you will write it as 15625. You will get it as, since the last digit is 5, so it is divisible by 5 finally. So 5 3s are 15, 5 banja, and 5 2s are, and 5 5s are, and again by 5, 5 6s are 30, 5 2s are 10, and 5 5s are again by 5, that is 5 banja, 5 2s are, and 5 5s are 25, and again by 5 you will get 5 2s are and 5 5s are, and again by 5 you will get 5, and lastly you will 5. So you will get 1. After that you will get here 15625 equal to, how many 5 here? That is 6 5. So you can write this is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 and again 5, that is total 5s are 6. Now you will make the triplet of this number. You will get H. This is the first triplet and this is the second triplet. So the cube root of the number is 15625 equal to, you will take only 1 5 and in the second triplet is also 1 5, means 5 and 5. So it is 5 into 5 means 25. So cube root of 15,625 is 25.